Welcome to my channel. How to secure your Synology NAS. NAS can be as secure as any other device connected to the outside world. This guide will run you through a few things to make your Synology NAS even more secure. Run Synology Advisor. The first step one could take with securing their Synology NAS is to run an app that's preloaded on every enclosure with the DSM-OS. It's called Synology Advisor and simply runs numerous tests on the NAS. Having Synology Advisor running on the NAS will even notify you of any login attempts that fail. It's a great place to start. Force users to create strong passwords. If you allow family members or friends access to your NAS, it's important to ensure everyone is using strong passwords. DSM can enforce this, but it needs configuring beforehand. 1. Log into your Synology NAS. 2. Open Control Panel. 3. Go to User and Group Advanced Password Settings. 4. Check Apply Password Strength Rules. Only open router ports you require. Opening ports on router to the Synology NAS is a good way to ensure unobstructed access to services that require connectivity to the outside world, but this can work against you by providing malicious parties access. Keep your DSM-OS up to date. Synology regularly releases OS updates that can fix security vulnerabilities, as well as add new features and improvements. It's always recommended to ensure your NAS is updated. Synology makes it easy to configure this process to take place automatically. Thanks for watching.